Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your bank account for Upstart loan payments in 2025. So if you need to switch bank accounts for automatic payments, all you got to do is follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Let's get into it. The first step is going to be to log into your Upstart dashboard. So visit Upstart's website and sign into your account. And once you're signed in, you're going to go to the payments or banking section, and there you can click on update payment method, or it could be add new bank accounts, and just enter your new bank routing number as well as your account number, and then verify your new bank. So Upstart may require you to verify the new account via a micro deposit or instant verification. So just check your bank statement and confirm any small test deposit that's sent by Upstart. Next, you're going to set the new account as the default. So once verified, you want to make sure that you select the new account as your primary payment method. And if you have automatic payments enabled, and then you want to ensure that they will be debited from the updated account. The fifth and final step will be to monitor your next payment. So double check that the next scheduled payment is withdrawn from the correct account, and be sure to keep funds available to prevent failed payments or late fees. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.